Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. So if you're watching this video, you're clearly interested in opening a PayPal account, and hopefully you've already subscribed to my channel. And I know that you're probably going to follow this series because I'm making a series on how to make money from home or extra cash if that be for you, so you don't need to do this full-time. However, this video is going to be crucial if you are following my series and you want to start getting paid for doing work online. You will most certainly need a PayPal account. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so you will go to paypal.com. In my instance, it's /ZA home because I'm based in Southern Africa. However, PayPal is global, so it doesn't matter where you're from, you can log on to paypal.com and sign up. So as you can see over here, they're saying sign up is free. Okay, this is, however, if you have a business as well, you can use PayPal, and it's a simpler, safer way to get paid, to pay and get paid. Okay, so we'll go to sign up. So over here you will select whether it's for personal account and business, right? So if you are watching this video from my previous video on working from home, we'll select personal account, we'll say continue, and over here you'll select your information, right? So it doesn't matter what country you're from. Here it's already picked up that I am from South Africa, so you can see it's available in all countries, doesn't matter where you're from. I'm sure your country would be here. So you would select your country, fill out your information and click next. It's really self-explanatory. I already have a PayPal account, so I will not be doing this now. However, it's really easy to use. Once you've done this, you will need to link a bank account. I know that the next option they'll probably be asking regarding your bank account. So if you do not have a bank account, you need to first open a bank account, because PayPal is basically the international service that will be accepting your money from the country that's, or company and country that's paying you. It will then convert the funds to your currency. So in my case, it will be rands. We use rands over here in South Africa. So whether I'm doing work for a company in the US, they'll pay me in dollars and I'll get the currency value in rands, and that will be, I can then withdraw it. So this acts similar to a wallet. It will be withdrawn and paid into my bank account. So if you do not have a bank account, you will need to register. I'm not gonna suggest a bank account for you, but there is one bank account or one bank that is directly linked to PayPal. I will, however, not mention their names because I'm not promoting banks here today. I'm just showing you guys how to work with PayPal. Okay, so once that is done, let me turn the camera to me. So once you've registered with PayPal, they will be giving you a code, right, that you can then insert. So when you log in to do one of the jobs that I've indicated in my previous video, I've went through like 12 websites that allow you to work from home or just to make extra money on the side, and you will then need to insert your PayPal information in order to get paid. Okay, on most of those sites, basically all of them. There are other sites as well besides PayPal, but PayPal is the most prominent. Most companies use PayPal. Okay, so you need a bank account and you need to select your information, and then you can write down or save that number as well, your code that you'll be needing to insert every time for someone to pay you. Okay. I hope this video was helpful, and please share if there's anyone that might need help with any of the subjects that I am focusing on in my work from home series. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you do have any questions or comments, please do comment in the comment section below, and please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you can get notified every time I load new videos. Also, please make sure that you've checked out my previous video on how to make money from home, and I'm making a playlist, a series on working from home or making extra money. So you're welcome to follow that and check out my next video. Thank you once again, guys.